Welcome back to Data Solution. I hope you are doing very well. In this lecture, I will show you demo on a store procedure activity in Microsoft Fabric Data Factory. So before going to a start demonstration on this activity, I request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started. A store procedure activity in Data Factory allow you to execute a store procedure in your database as a part of your data integration and transformation workflow. Use cases of a store procedure in Data Factory. It is used for data transformation like aggregation of data. You cannot do aggregation using a script task. So you can use a store procedure activity. You can also use data cleaning for a store procedure like delete duplicate data and update status flag. You can also use a store procedure for post processing after data loading. For example, updating audit table or recalculating index. So now let's switch back to Microsoft Fabric and get start demo on this activity. Here I am in the home page of Microsoft Fabric. Let's go to here Data Factory workspace and let us create new pipeline. Click on this and name it PL store procedure activity. Let's talk. Click on this create button to create new pipeline activity, and in this pipeline let's go to here activity tab, and you can see here in transformation tab store procedure. You can also search by using here search button. You can also write here store procedure and you can click on this store procedure activity to add on canvas. Okay, in general tab it's mainly for naming of this activity, so let's name it store procedure. And the activity state here is activated. You can do using this button to deactivate it's not execute in while executing pipeline. So let's click on this activity activated, and let's go to here setting tab and let's connect one of our data warehouse. Here is training warehouse, and in this training warehouse you can see here training warehouse we already create one of the simple procedure called sp underscore test. We pass here parameter ride underscore type, which is varchar data type, as a create table from we want to copy from this table to as a TBL trip city bike underscore sp, and we pass here parameter in where condition writable type equal to at the rate write type. Okay, so we already create this procedure. Here is the procedure name we created sp underscore test. Okay, so let's import this procedure into pipeline. So here is the connection we connected with training warehouse. This is warehouse name as training underscore wh, and let's use here sp underscore test. You can refresh it. If you not get any procedure, you can refresh by clicking on this refresh button. And let's also import procedure parameter. This is parameter we pass here. Write type is parameter, only one parameter in this case. So it's let's wait for. Here we imported write type as a parameter, and let's select in this parameter as a writable type. If you go to here table, and this is the table. If you do select star from this table and run this using this run button, we selecting all row and all column. So you can see here writable type. This is two type of writable, classic and electric bike. So let's search here. We want to copy only electric bike. So let's go to here pipeline. Okay, this is our pipeline, and type here value electric underscore bike, and go to here home tab. This is activity, and go to here home tabs. First save this pipeline and now run this. So this is the simple demo using a store procedure activity in Data Factory. So let's wait here. Pipeline status is in progress. So this pipeline is succeeded, and if you see, you only check here this pipeline is successfully executed. You also see here notification execution duration here 5 seconds of pipeline. So let's now go to here training warehouse, and let's see this tvl trip city bike underscore sp, and now you can see here after refresh TVL city bike underscore SP, this table is created, and if you click on this you can see here only electric bike. So that is the simple demo on store procedure. I hope you understand this procedure activity in data pipeline. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in next video. Thank you.